Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we have an exciting unboxing and review of the Suunto 9 Peak Pro Ocean Blue. Get ready to discover this incredible timepiece and all the amazing features it has to offer. First, we'll start by opening the box and unveiling the contents inside. Witness the anticipation as we reveal the sleek and stylish Suunto 9 Peak Pro watch. Once the box is opened, we dive straight into exploring the product and its specifications, highlighting its advantages and positive aspects. Meanwhile, while watching this part of the video, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. The Suunto 9 Peak Pro is crafted with premium materials to ensure durability and style. The bezel is made of stainless steel, while the glass is protected by sapphire crystal, adding both elegance and robustness to the watch. The case is constructed with glass fiber reinforced polyamide, providing a lightweight yet sturdy structure. The strap, made of silicone, offers comfort and flexibility for everyday wear. Weighing only 64 grams, the Suunto 9 Peak Pro is designed to be lightweight and comfortable on your wrist. It comes with a 22mm strap width and offers wrist sizes, ranging from 125 to 175 millimeters, or 125 to 200 millimeters, depending on the model. The integrated wrist heart rate monitor keeps track of your heart rate during workouts and activities, ensuring you stay in the optimal zone for maximum performance. The watch is water-resistant up to 100 m, making it suitable for swimming and water activities. Whether you're taking a dip in the pool or exploring underwater environments, the Suunto 9 Peak Pro is designed to withstand the elements. One of the standout features of the Suunto 9 Peak Pro is its customizable watch faces, allowing you to personalize your watch to match your style and preferences. The touch-screen lock feature ensures that your settings remain intact even during intense exercise sessions. With its color display and vibration alert, you'll receive clear and timely notifications, keeping you connected and informed throughout the day. Battery life is always a crucial consideration, and the Suunto 9 Peak Pro doesn't disappoint. It features a rechargeable lithium-ion battery that can last up to 30 days in time mode, ensuring you don't have to worry about frequent charging. With 24/7 tracking and mobile notifications, the battery can last up to 21 days, providing long-lasting performance. During training mode with GPS, you can expect a battery life of 40 hours, 70 hours, or even up to 300 hours, depending on the selected mode. Connectivity is seamless with the Suunto 9 Peak Pro. It supports Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to connect the watch to your smartphone and receive phone notifications directly on your wrist. You can also control media playback from the watch itself. Android users can take advantage of the feature to send predefined replies to incoming messages, ensuring you stay connected without needing to reach for your phone. The Suunto 9 Peak Pro is compatible with the Suunto app, enabling you to track and analyze your activities in detail. It also allows you to sync your data with popular online sports communities, enhancing your fitness journey. The watch supports automatic firmware updates over the air, ensuring you always have the latest features and improvements at your fingertips. With its comprehensive activity tracking, the Suunto 9 Peak Pro helps you monitor your steps, calories burned, and activity targets. The watch also provides in-depth sleep tracking, giving you insights into your sleep patterns and quality. Stress and recovery monitoring features help you manage your overall well-being, ensuring you strike the right balance in your daily life. The Suunto 9 Peak Pro is the ultimate outdoor companion. It offers GPS tracking and navigation capabilities, allowing you to explore new routes confidently. With satellite systems including GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, QZSS, and Beidou, you can rely on accurate positioning data even in challenging environments. The watch supports intelligent battery modes, giving you options for different activities and durations. You can plan routes, view altitude profiles, and utilize outdoor terrain and satellite maps for a seamless outdoor experience. For sports enthusiasts, the Suunto 9 Peak Pro covers a wide range of activities. It includes specialized features for running, cycling, swimming, and more. With customizable sport modes and displays, you can tailor the watch to suit your specific needs. Whether you're a professional athlete or a fitness enthusiast, the Suunto 9 Peak Pro provides valuable data and insights to help you improve your performance. In summary, the Suunto 9 Peak Pro is a versatile and reliable companion for outdoor adventures and fitness pursuits. With its stylish design, durable construction, and advanced features, it's a watch that combines both functionality and aesthetics. Stay connected, track your activities, and reach your fitness goals with confidence. The Suunto 9 Peak Pro is truly a remarkable timepiece that caters to your active lifestyle. Thank you for joining us in this unboxing and review video. We hope you found the information helpful and insightful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. We appreciate your support and we look forward to seeing you again.